If I had to start my YouTube channel again, starting from scratch, I'm talking zero subscribers, zero followers, zero views, and I could only do two strategies. It would be these two strategies that I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, the first strategy is one of the strategies that I used to get monetized within just 5 weeks, which was incredible. Now, the second strategy is a strategy I just recently implemented because it is based on a new YouTube feature that they just rolled out in March 2025. And I see so many people are not using this feature. I just discovered it and I was like, wow. So, this is something that you definitely want to stay tuned for because this is something that has continued to make my YouTube account continue to grow. I'm averaging about 3 to 4,000 subscribers every single month without fail, still getting a lot of views, a lot of traffic to my channel with this one feature. So if you're new to YouTube, you've just started your channel, you're struggling, you're not seeing views, you're not seeing subscribers, or maybe you've been on YouTube for months, maybe even years, and you're not seeing any traction, this feature could change everything for you. So stay tuned. Hey, star creators, welcome back to Elevate with Tate. If you're new here, my name is Tate and I help faith based content creators and small YouTubers grow and monetize their audience. So, thank you so much for being here. Now, before we get started on these two strategies, if you need help on your YouTube journey, I have a YouTube quick start guide to success that I'm going to link in the bottom. So, go ahead and grab that. In that guide, I've just updated it. I have put 7 mistakes that most small YouTubers are making and how to avoid those mistakes. So be sure to grab that guide before this YouTube video is over. So now moving right into these two strategies. The first strategy is something that I have mentioned in another video, but I don't think enough people have heard this strategy yet because it is so important, guys. Your YouTube success is probably going to come from one video, maybe two, because basically, when I became monetized, it was based on two videos. That's where I got all of my subscribers, and that's where I got all of my watch time. And it was because those two videos went viral. So, how do you go viral? The way you go viral is you do not try to reinvent the wheel. Don't try to come up with ideas. Don't try to come up with titles and thumbnails out of your head. You have to find something that is already going viral, something that is already popular on YouTube, and recreate that. Now, I'm not talking about just creating randomly viral content. I'm talking about creating content that is viral within your niche. Now, how do you know if something is viral or if it's popular within your niche? The way you know this is when you see a small content creator, maybe they have 5,000 subscribers, maybe they have even 500 subscribers, but they have a video that is getting 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 30,000 views. Then you know that that topic is a hot topic because that means that people are even willing to click on videos from small content creators. So you don't want to look at titles and thumbnails from the big YouTubers because those people already have views regardless. What you want to look for is the small content creators that have smaller channels, but they've this one video is doing so well within that niche. Now, once you find that video, what you don't want to do is to just watch the video and then copy the exact content and then try to be that person. You don't want to just completely copy that video. What you want to do is to model that video. So you want to take the concept, maybe some of the text, maybe you take something out of the thumbnail, maybe you take something out of the title, you change it up a little bit, you make it your own, but you recreate that packaging because YouTube is all about the packaging. So it is not necessarily what is going to be in the contents of your video. It is really how you package your video for people to want to click on it because YouTube is all about getting people to click your video. You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks on your video, nobody's going to watch that video. So this is the strategy on how to package your video so that you get the maximum amount of clicks. So just to give you an example, when I come up with ideas of videos that I'm going to make, the content that I'm going to share with my audience on how to grow their YouTube channel, how to grow their audience, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money online, what I do first is I make sure that I find the right packaging that I'm going to use for that content that I'm going to share. What that means is I am not going to just come up with a title and a thumbnail from my head. What I do is I go on YouTube and I start looking at what thumbnails and what titles are already working for other people. And I try to look and see, okay, what videos are really trending right now? What titles are trending? What thumbnails are people clicking on? And I see that based on the number of views that a certain video has compared to the ratio of the number of subscribers that person has. Now, this is a strategy that continues to work so well for me. In fact, my most popular video right now is a video that I saw a small YouTuber had a thumbnail and a title that was doing so well. This small YouTuber probably had like 500 subscribers, but this video had like 30,000 views on it. So I knew it was a winning combination. So I recreated that thumbnail and that title. My contents of the video were totally different from this small YouTuber's, but I packaged it the same way because I knew that title and that thumbnail combination was really hot on YouTube. So I recreated it. And sure enough, that video is still flying. I'm still getting tens of thousands of views on this video, even months later from when I created it. And it is because I packaged it in the same way that I saw a video that was doing so well for a small YouTuber. So this is literally the fastest way to grow a small YouTube channel. This is the fastest way, hands down. And of course, the contents of your video have to be good because once they click on it, you also have to deliver. So don't clickbait. Don't put a title out there and a thumbnail that is totally off topic from what you're actually going to say in the video. You need to tie in everything that you're saying in that and create valuable quality content as well. Now, moving on to the second strategy. Now, the second strategy is a little controversial because there's a big debate going on YouTube on whether shorts actually hurt or help your YouTube channel. And I'm here to tell you that shorts will help your channel because YouTube is actually prioritizing shorts right now. And if you're not doing shorts, you are leaving a lot of views and a lot of subscribers and a lot of traffic to your channel on the table. So in this second strategy, it is creating YouTube shorts. And it is not in the way you think because you might think that, oh, I don't have time to do that. There's actually a really easy way for you to create shorts. I literally create 10 shorts at a time and it takes me like 25 minutes or 30 minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And this new feature that YouTube has is where you can actually link your short video, your short form content to your long form content. There's literally a link that you can put right in that short that links to your long form content. And I have seen an explosion of views just from doing that. So now to create your shorts, what you want to do is to use the remix feature to just literally take your long form content. You don't have to buy another app. You don't have to pay for some subscription thing, service to create these shorts. You literally use YouTube's remix feature to go to your own channel and remix your own long form content into short form content. So I'm going to show you right here. So basically you want to go to your remix feature, you click on it, you open it up and it'll show you a slider where you can either make a 15-second long video or you can make a 60-second or anything in between long short. So then it'll naturally just crop it for you and it crops it right there wherever you want to crop it. So what I do is I try to find where I have said a complete thought so that the video actually makes sense in a short. And then what I do is I add text to it so that people know what the short is about. And once you've created your YouTube short, it'll take you to this page right here where it'll give you an option to link this short to a related video. So this is exactly where I do that. And by the way, you can only do this on mobile. Now, the short feature on YouTube actually allows you to create a thumbnail still. So most people don't put any text on their thumbnails. they just leave it blank, and that is really missing out on a potential way to get more clicks on your short. So what you want to do is you want to put a text that actually hooks them into that video. So you want to put a hook in that text section on your thumbnail that makes people want to click on your short, to basically tell them what is this short about and what is in it for you. So they'll click on it, they'll watch it, and then it gives them an option to click on the long form video and watch your long form videos. Guys, this is so amazing. It's done wonders for my channel. I see in the stats in the back end of my channel, and I see a lot of views that are coming just from my shorts. I'm seeing a lot of subscribers coming from my shorts. I'm seeing a lot of traffic coming to my channel. Even just people who subscribe to me, they're able to see different content showing up on their feed, even if it's shorts. So even though, because I've been so busy working on the back end of my business, that I haven't been able to post as much on my YouTube channel, I've been really posting maybe every other week, but I'm able to post shorts a lot faster and quicker just from my long content. So even though I'm not creating consistent content on my long form, I'm still able to reach my viewers and still able to get them to watch my other short form videos. So this is something you definitely don't want to miss out on. So now here's a bonus insight for you. A lot of people want to get their 1,000 subscribers and they want to get their 4,000 watch hours because they want to get that YouTube partnership program. But you don't have to sit around and wait for that to happen for you to start monetizing your channel and making money on your YouTube channel. And this is something that I've been teaching my students within the Fast Track to Monetization system, which is my small channel cash flow system that I've been showing my students on how they can start making money on their YouTube channel starting from day one with digital products and affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in learning how you can start to make money with digital products and affiliate marketing, be sure to start watching some of my more recent content. I've been sharing a lot on that. Or you can get my Fast Track to Monetization system, which not only teaches you how to grow on YouTube and get into the partner program, but it also shows you how to monetize your account from day one with digital products, how to create your digital product, how to use done for you digital products, how to monetize your account with affiliate links so you can start to make money, because people are making money on YouTube before they get monetized with 200 subscribers, with 20 subscribers. I just shared this story on my previous video. This YouTuber here responded to one of my comments. She only has like 300 subscribers, and at the time she started, she had 150 subscribers. She says in this comment that she had already started making money by offering a digital product that solves one of the pain points of her audience, and she is starting to make income from her channel. So don't just sit around and wait for the YouTube partnership program, and start creating digital products, start creating a business around your YouTube channel. So now, just to recap everything that we went over, number one is you want to make sure that you're not coming up with titles and thumbnails out of your head. You're finding thumbnails and titles that are already working for people within your niche, from people with small audiences where you see their videos doing well. That's number one. Number two is you want to start creating YouTube shorts from your long form content and driving those YouTube shorts back to your long form content. And then lastly, start building an income on your YouTube channel using digital products, using affiliate links, so that you're not sitting around waiting for YouTube, but you're being proactive. You're starting to build income on your channel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you. I know it has, because I know if you do those things that I have told you in this video, your channel is going to explode. So be sure to implement those things. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.